Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. Looking at a chart of the silver spot prices. During the past 10 bars, there have been 5 white up candles and 3 black down candles for a net of 2 white up candles. During the past 50 bars, there have been 22 white up candles and 26 black down candles for a net of 4 black down candles. Taking a look at the swing index, currently the market pulse is negative at a 0.06. Since it's trading below its signal line, the pulse scan crossed above the swing VIX as of Sunday night. Swing VIX is at a negative 0.77. Taking a look at long entries, we have a possible breakout scenario going along at 1885. Initial resistance target is at 1897 with a stop and reverse at 1820. Also a possible breakout to the downside. We'll be watching for a short at 1789, initial support at 1785 with a stop and reverse at 1862. Now what we think is going to end up happening is we're going to consolidate and trade in between the breakout resistance at 1885 and the support at 1789. However, if either one of those are taken out, we take positions in that direction. The trend channel is up. This means that positive momentum is entering the market. We expect sideways to higher prices within the next 3 to 5 days. The swing VIX is not currently in a topping or bottoming pattern, and the last signal that we had in the swing VIX was an overbought 21 periods ago. The swing VIX does not currently show any failure swings, and the swing VIX and price are not diverging at the moment. And since COMEX silver on the silver spot price crosses moving average, the price has been unchanged and has ranged from a high of 1855 to a low of 1827. Currently the trend is pointing upwards and the market condition is very bullish. We're trading above the long-term, intermediate, and short-term moving averages. As far as volatility, not a lot to talk about, but as of Sunday night, we closed above the upper band by 24.9%, leaving 38.64% narrower than a normal range. So we have a neutral reading as far as the volatility goes on the silver spot prices. So we'll just be watching it. For a transcript and a printout of the entry points, you can go ahead and go to the blog and download that. We also have a PDF of the chart. So thank you for tuning into the Vulcan Report, and that's all we have on silver spot. Alright, taking a look here at gold spot. During the past 10 bars, there have been 4 white up candles and 5 black down candles for a net of 1 black down candle. During the past 50 bars, there have been 21 white up candles and 28 black down candles for a net of 7 black down candles. Taking a look at the swing index, the pulse scan is reading 32.66. The swing VIX is reading 32.64. Currently the market pulse is positive since it's trading above its signal line. The pulse scan crossed above the swing VIX as of Sunday night. No long positions or short positions to speak of. We'll just have to watch this one. The trend channel is up, and that means that positive momentum is entering the market, so we expect sideways to higher prices within the next 3 to 5 days. One thing to note is that the swing VIX is above 29, and this is where it usually forms resistance. The swing VIX usually forms resistance before the underlying security, and a buy or sell signal is generated when the swing VIX moves out of an overbought or oversold area. The last signal was an overbought sell 4 periods ago. The swing VIX does not currently show any failure swings, and the swing VIX and price are not diverging. Since the swing VIX crossed its moving average, the spot gold price has been unchanged and has ranged from a high of 1208.33 to a low of 1196.01. Currently the trend is very bullish and pointing upward, and we're trading above the long-term, intermediate, and short-term moving averages. As far as volatility, we closed below the upper band by 10%, leaving 23.26% wider than normal ranges. One note of caution with this one is that as I do this video now, the prices are pulling back now. One could argue that we are possibly making a double top here, being that even though we closed above the new 52-week high, we did not close above the 52-week high or the prior high. So one could argue that we have a double top going on here, and we could be looking at price destruction or a possible severe distribution of gold. So we'll have to watch the market and see what happens.